Are these the most effective security lights on the market? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the SlimSafe Solar Security Light range. Let's get into it. These security lights are high-powered, motion-activated, and they work in winter. Let's open up the box and have a look. Let's start with the SlimSafe Pro. Inside the box, we have the light, the instructions, and the fixing kit. This light is 20 centimeters wide, 22 centimeters tall, and 3 centimeters deep. The SlimSafe Pro emits a generous 1,500 lumens and comes with a microwave sensor. This sensor has a 10-meter detection range at 180 degrees and a 30-second activation. When this light is fully charged, it can trigger up to 500 activations per night. The solar panel is fitted with reflective beads to draw in as much sunlight as possible. This is then converted into usable electric energy. It's also extremely durable and can last 10 years or more. This light is super easy to install. Both the solar panel and the wall bracket are already fully integrated into the lighting unit. All you have to do is use the fixing kit and line up the holes to a wall or a fence and drill them in safely. To turn this light on, you need to place and hold your thumb or your finger over the fingerprint on the front of the light. There are multiple lighting modes with this light, which you can change by tapping the fingerprint again. These modes include Mode 1, which emits 50% brightness. Then when motion is activated, it will engage the full brightness in short bursts. Mode 2 lets out 50% brightness with the dust sensor, and Mode 3 emits the full brightness of 1,500 lumens with the dust sensor. Now let's have a look at the standard SlimSafe. This light measures at 20 centimeters tall, 17 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters deep. Any other security light in this size usually only gives out around 400 lumens, but this light gives out a whopping 800 lumens. That's literally double the power. Just like the Pro, this light comes with a microwave sensor, which has a 10-meter detection range at 180 degrees and a 30-second activation. When this light is fully charged, it can trigger up to 500 activations in a single night. This panel also has reflective beads, making it more efficient at gathering as much sunlight as possible. You install this light in exactly the same way as the Pro. Just line up the screws with the screw holes and you're all good to go. To turn this light on, you just need to hold down the fingerprint icon on the front of the light. All the modes for this light are exactly the same as the ones we spoke about for the SlimSafe Pro. The only difference is that the full brightness is 800 lumens, not 1,500 lumens like the SlimSafe Pro. So which light is best? Both are super powerful lights. The only difference is the lumens. The SlimSafe is 800 lumens and the SlimSafe Pro is 1,500 lumens. And then of course the last difference between these lights is the size. Both these lights come with a built-in dust sensor. All you have to do is let these lights charge themselves throughout the day, ready to glow at night. If you have any questions on these products, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.